guys, welcome back to our channel. Long time no more. It's been a long time since I had babes on the vlog. Anyways, it smells funny in here. We are out shopping, preparing for Hurricane Dorian, and trying to make sure that we are prepared because South Carolina was declared state of emergency. So we just trying to make sure we good on all angles. So I thought I'd bring you guys along with us. You want to say anything, babes? No. Alright. This little person. We're gonna get bagels for breakfast. Switch it up. I should have brought my stand, so I ain't gotta hold it. Y'all, I'm getting better and better with my twist out, even though it's looking crazy. It's been a long time since I held my camera. Don't pick up all that bread. So we've been trying to eat less carbs. And it's been okay. It hasn't been like, I thought it was gonna kill me because I love bread and I love rice, especially white rice and potatoes. Ooh, give me a good old baked potato, butter, sour cream, some salt, and I'm good to go. But per my doctor, I need to cut back on that. So yeah. But anyways, I just wanted to pick up my camera because I hadn't picked it up in a long time. And I miss chit chat with y'all. I thought this one was gonna be participating, but maybe not right now. So you picking up somebody else's cupcakes besides Publix? What? You know, we could have just stopped at Publix on the way home and get you your cupcakes.
Yeah, but if you got something in there that is, they got concrete.
It ain't gonna be that quick. You just pop in and pop out. It would be the only thing we have to get from Publix. Anyways, y'all. We're gonna come back. Hi, everybody. Say hey to YouTube. Say hey. Say hey to YouTube. Say hey to YouTube. Say hi, everybody. My name is Jake, and I'm hanging out with my auntie because she's the best. Love. Okay. Woo! Y'all, let me tell you. Y'all see this one right here? Right here in this. Walking over there. You see it, right? Don't take her to the store with y'all. Listen.
Where you working at?
My plan.
Where you working at?
My plan was not to spend over $200 in a grocery store. I just wanted to shop. She wanted to shop. We was in the store. How long we was in the store? 2 hours?
I don't know.
Too long. But anyways, I'm gonna come back, show you guys what we have that somebody said we needed all this stuff. Anyway, see y'all in a minute. got pretty much everything. I thought she put these cans up. Y'all, let me tell y'all. So she likes to make it seem like I don't be appreciating stuff that she do, right? So that's why she put up these canned goods. Cause she said, I was gonna say, that's not how I do it. I don't think that's correct. I don't be doing that. That do not be me. I don't know what she be talking about. All right, so don't mind that kitchen, I gotta clean it. So we done got some canned goods, and yes, I eat me some Chef Boyardee. Call me childish, ghetto, petty, whatever you want. I love me some good old Chef Boyardee. So got some soup and stuff in there. Babes, you forgot to put the cookies up. So guys,
Freezer?
yes. I'm trying to figure out how I need to organize my pantry, right? Please send me some suggestions on how to organize it. But that's the pantry. Yep. Oops, sorry, babes. This is the freezer. It is okay. It is loaded, and our refrigerator, of course, never looks full. Like, it never looks full, never. But yep, so that's our grocery haul, okay, for today. And now I'm about to get this kitchen clean, and we'll see you guys in the next video. If you are new to our channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you like what you see, we have some more exciting things coming up. We're going to be doing some traveling coming up. I'm excited for that. Can't wait to travel. And some other things coming up. Make sure, if you haven't already, follow along on our TTC journey. Follow us on Instagram. Our Instagram name is in the link, as well as our Snapchat name. And like this video and comment below if you saw anything that you like, or if you have any suggestions on how I can get my pantry organized. Until next time, see you guys.